So, can you tell about your product and how AI engineers and companies can use it?
Hey, so we are Langtrace. Langtrace is an open source LLM observability and evaluation platform. So if you are building LLM based applications and it just if you want to take it from a shiny demo to a reliable and accurate product that delights your customers, you can definitely check out Langtrace. So we are fully open source. We are open telemetry based, and the setup is super simple. It's just 2 lines of code, and instantly Langtrace will start tracing your LLM interactions, your vector DB retrievals, as well as frameworks. You can use the trace data for curating data sets, running evaluations, and establishing a closed feedback loop for improving your application.
Can you show the demo how it's work?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. So this is, let me, yeah, so this is Langtrace. So what you're seeing over here is the metrics tab. On the metrics tab, you can see the total input tokens ingested. You can see the total model cost incurred. You can see the traces ingested. You can see latency, all high level metrics. You can also see, you can also filter it down by the models being used. In addition to that, we have this traces tab, which is the main one. Here you can see all the LLM interactions that were traced. Say for instance, this one, this is what the user asked, and this is what the assistant responded with. You can identify bottlenecks in your code. You can also see all the interactions. You can see logs. You can see all the hyperparameter settings. All of this setup can be set up in 2 lines of code. This is the annotations tab. Within annotations tab, you can start running manual annotations and evaluations for all the captured interactions. So you get like a baseline data set that you can use for running regression tests against. The datasets tab, where you can create datasets and store datasets. There's the evaluations tab. You can run evaluations against the curated dataset. For different models, you can do comparison. You can see the outputs. Like you can do like automated evals and whatnot. And finally, we have the playground tab, where you can compare and contrast between different models. So you can run the same prompt against 3 different models, observe the cost, latency, and whatnot, and decide which model to use. And finally, we have this prompts tab, where you can store and version prompts, and you can just, with a click of a button, you can go back to a previous version of a prompt, or you can create a new version and take like a new version of a prompt to production. So it's like a full-blown observability and evaluation suite for operationalizing the process of improving LLM-based applications.
And what is your business model? How cost it if enterprise want to use it?
The business model is one is open source, but for customers that want us to host it for them, so we have a hosted version of it, and that's how we plan on growing the company that way. Some prefer to do it themselves, self-hosted, but some prefer it for us providing end-to-end support. So we provide that via our Langtrace platform. We can host it for you, do all the traces, do everything for you from our platform directly, and we have users doing that today.
Thank you.